A visit to the Efteling can be quite an undertaking, especially when you visit from abroad. Hi, my name is Joost from Dutch Themepark Network, and in this video we tell you 7 things you're not prepared for when you visit the Efteling. So, let's dive in. Many visitors of Efteling don't know that you can visit the park before opening hours. When you come in approximately 1 hour early, you can see the small rope drop ceremony. One of the smaller children is invited to open the gates of the Efteling with a special key and will be greeted by Pardoes. You can also visit the Pardoes Promenade to have yourself a nice breakfast or a cup of coffee. A really good way to start your magical day in the world of wonders. Did you know you don't need any data bundle when you visit the Efteling? Because the resort has a really well coverage of Wi-Fi in the whole resort. You can easily connect to the Wi-Fi for free by selecting Efteling Guest in your Wi-Fi settings. Then you only have to push connect and you're good to go. This one is really important for our next tip. Did you know that the app has many features that are really handy in the park? For example, you can use the app to navigate to your favorite attraction. Simply select the attraction of your choice, push the walking man, and the app will create a walking route. That's a great way to don't get lost in the park. Another handy tip. Did you know you can receive a notification when the wait time of your favorite attraction drops below a certain level? You can use this app really well with the free Wi-Fi all over the resort. Maybe a strange thing for visitors from abroad, but when you buy a small plastic bottle, you pay a deposit of 15 cents. You can recollect this deposit at the exit, at the service building, at the parking lot. When you deliver your bottle there, they will pay you the 15 cents per bottle. But of course you can also donate it to Villa Pardoes in these special trash cans. Don't you want to pay a deposit? Of course you can also buy a refillable mug. We are at one of the less enchanting spots of the Efteling. Because what many people don't know is that the Efteling is completely smoke-free for over 1 year now. This includes all paths, fairy tale forest, waiting areas. You are only allowed to smoke in the designated smoking areas. You can recognize these by this sign. There are 10 in the park and several on the resorts. You can also find the smoking zones in the Efteling app and on park maps. So make sure to don't smoke at the paths, including vapes and e-cigarettes, and use these designated smoking areas. Most visitors of Efteling aren't prepared for the best food. Of course you can get yourself burgers and fries in the park, or you can have a table reservation in one of the sit-down restaurants. But what most people don't know is that the best food is served in the resorts. You can have dinner at Efteling Hotel, Loonseland or Bosrijk, even when you stay off-site. If you want to make a table reservation in one of the resorts, visit guest services or give the Efteling a call. So make sure to have the best food there is in the resort. The Efteling is really an enormous park and you do a lot of walking, so you really should think ahead about your mobility. If you do need a wheelchair or a scootmobile, you can rent those at the Efteling. A wheelchair is for free and a scootmobile costs you approximately 20 euros a day. You should reserve one of those ahead on the website of Efteling. And when you visit with youngsters, a pool chair can come in handy. You don't have to make a reservation for a pool chair. You can rent one of these for 4,50 euros at the service building at the parking lot of the Efteling. That's all for this video. Did you recently visit the Efteling and do you think we've missed something? Let us know down in the comments to help others out. And one more tip, don't forget to take a peek in our web shop, DutchThemeparkNetwork.com/shop, for all your Efteling inspired merchandise. And do you want to help us out? Don't forget to give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you in the Efteling or in our next video. See ya!